Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Measure the components precisely. 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup, 2 ounces strong espresso or concentrated cold brew, 4 ounces cold whole milk, and 4 ounces chilled seltzer. Use real chocolate syrup rather than cocoa powder so the texture thickens and the flavor carries through the bubbles. Keep everything cold in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before assembly so the seltzer stays carbonated. Have a chilled highball glass and a bar spoon ready. Accurate, cold ingredients are the foundation of a proper updated egg cream coffee. Pour 2 tablespoons chocolate syrup and 2 ounces hot or concentrated espresso into a chilled glass and stir until homogeneous. This ensures the chocolate dissolves evenly into the coffee. Add 4 ounces cold whole milk and stir gently to create a smooth emulsion. Whole milk yields the best mouthfeel. Hold a chilled bottle of seltzer at a slight angle and pour 4 ounces quickly to build a light, creamy froth on top. Serve immediately with a straw for the classic layered texture and effervescence. For variations, substitute 2 ounces cold brew for espresso for a smoother, less acidic profile and still use the same syrup ratio. If your chocolate syrup is unsweetened, add 1 tablespoon simple syrup or a sugar substitute to reach your preferred sweetness. To intensify flavor, add a pinch of fine salt or 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract to the base before adding seltzer. For a lighter drink, swap whole milk for 2% or oat milk, adjusting texture and keeping the 4-ounce milk to 4-ounce seltzer ratio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.